Now let's talk about what is management by objectives. It is developed by Peter Drucker. It is a management approach where managers and employees collaboratively set clear and measurable goals aligned with organizational objectives. For example, a sales manager at a company wants to improve team performance. First is they do goal setting. Hi to all our sales team members. Our goal is to have an individual monthly sales increase by 10%. Yes, sir, we will achieve that. Second is creating an action plan. Each salesperson outlines how they plan to achieve this. Sir, in order to achieve our sales target, we will increase by 20% our client calls each week. We will also offer limited time promotions to customers. Very good. Third is monitoring. The manager checks in every 2 weeks to review progress and provide support if needed. Okay, team, let me check your performance this past 2 weeks and let me help you with your concerns. And last is evaluation. At the end of the quarter, the manager and salespersons assess results. Congratulations, team! We were able to achieve our sales target. Good job, everyone! Thank you, sir. We've done that using management by objectives. Thank you, and please like my video and subscribe to my channel.